Come with me to do a heatless blowout. Let's do it. First thing I'm gonna do is brush my hair, make sure there's no tangles, and then I'm just going to spritz it with the slightest amount of water, like barely any. This is just gonna help that curl hold. And then I'm gonna take my curler, I'm gonna put it about an inch behind my hairline, secure it with my little claw clip. This is the best curler. I'll link it in the description. It is such a game changer. So I'm gonna begin. I'm gonna take a 1-inch section. I'm gonna wrap it away from my face. The next one, I'm gonna take a much larger section. It's gonna be about 2 inches. And I'm gonna just smooth it out and wrap it around the curler. I'm keeping a lot of tension on that hair, as you can see, to keep it really tight. And with each section, I'm taking a larger amount of hair because I want the curls to get bigger and bigger like that blowout. So you can see I have about 3 inches of hair in here. I'm also pulling the hair upwards, right straight away from the hairline. This is gonna give me more body like a blowout. Continuing to keep that hair tight, and now just grabbing as much hair as I can for this section, still keeping a lot of tension on that hair. Then I'm gonna take my last little section, pull it as tight as I can. If you have any baby hairs, it's fine to just leave those. And then I'm gonna wrap it around my curler. Sometimes when I wrap, I'm gonna twist this in the opposite direction to get a really tight twist on my hair, and then just finish wrapping the last little bit, and you're gonna secure it with your silk scrunchie. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Remove your claw clip, just smooth anything right here so you don't have creasing. And then I can leave this in for 2 to 4 hours and then take it out and I'll have a stunning blowout. Let's take them out and see the results. It's so good. We just got a heatless blowout in no time. Like the easiest way to do it. It's so good. The results are mind-blowing. It's incredible.